Hi, I'm Sivaramakrishnan. Come on, let's draw.
So, to draw a maple leaf, all you have to do is first draw a line, then draw another line, another one, and a small one on both sides. And now add some more lines. Okay, and these lines also here. Okay, now what you're going to do is draw an arrow here. You're going to be drawing all curves, so draw a curve here, come back down, draw a curve here, pointing one, draw a curve here, go up, come down, go up, come down, go down, go up, down. Repeat this process. Okay, similarly in this side also. Erase that one. Okay, finally everything will converge here. Now here finally everything will converge here. So here we are going to draw the stem of the leaf. Okay, that's it. Now everything will join here. Is that okay? Now maybe erase off a little part. Now we are going to darken the lines.
That's it, guys. Hope it was easy and you liked it. Try this out and don't forget to share your artworks with me. You can use my WhatsApp business number and I would love to see your drawings. And wait, there's a bonus. I will share my Facebook group's invite link. In that group, I'm discussing the tips and tricks on how to draw and also answering your questions. If you're very much interested in arts, you can accept the invite. And finally, if you want to check my artworks, search for Entice Art Studio in YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Take care. Happy drawing. Bye.